Namaste. I am Kriti Ranjan, founder and director of Khushi Sansar Agrochemicals and Fertilizer Private Limited. My company is based on Agri Innovation Nanotechnology Company, and this company is incorporated in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Our mission is to revolutionize agriculture through a nanotechnology, and our flagship product is Nano Potas, which is towards the state of sustainable farming practices, which also will be the basic cost cutting towards the farmer, and this Nano Potas will be highly yielded on the field of the nanotechnology sector. And Nano Potas is a product which is towards a great step towards a sustainable farming, and also it is a cost effective product, and which this company is towards that step of making the farming sustainable and cost effective. Nano Potas is a smart and very efficient alternative to the conventional potash fertilizer, which right now farmer is using on the field. And this potash agriculture is also increasing in the yield of the crops, and it is a very helpful in sustainable agriculture, which just not only help the farmer in increasing the yield but also help in retaining and replenishing the soil, because as we know, conventional fertilizer is degrading the health quality of the soil, but our nano fertilizer, which is a flagship product, it help in replenishing the health of the soil, with that also a sustainable agriculture. So at Khushi Sansar, we are not just making a nano fertilizer, or we are not making this company tech towards the working into the nanotechnology, but we are also working towards farmer cost friendly and farmers irrigational process, and everything whatever water consumptions to the in the conventional fertilizer is so and highly used in this category. They will be using a less number of water, and it will be very good for the crop health, as the nano fertilizer is being used by the crop in a very controlled manner, and it releases the nutrient in a certain amount, and we are toward that state. And Khushi Sansar is not only working towards one direction but in a multi-direction. It is also focusing towards the health of the consumer who is taking the yield and